Alright, so anyway, this thing, you know, it extends down. It's one of these Kohler fancy, expensive sinks. And but it doesn't go far enough for my girlfriend. She wants me to put another 5 or 6 inches on her. So what I got to do is crawl underneath the sink, and I've got to change the counterweight and slide it up the hose about 6 or 7 inches. There it is right there. It's basically just unscrewing 2 screws and then sliding it and then tighten them back up. So it shouldn't be too easy, but it is a little bit of a cramped space back here, as you can see, all kinds of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reposition my camera so you can see straight up and turn off this flashlight. Now what I got to do is loosen up this counterweight and push it up a little ways higher so that we get a couple more inches. And hopefully it'll be enough that it'll still pull the hose down once you've extended it from the other end of the faucet. But that will remain to be seen. As you can see, there's the counterweight, there's the hose, and now we're going to go up top and we're going to check it out. Here's a little bit closer look at it, but you really can't see it that well. But anyway, we're going to check it out now. All right, okay, so looking at it from this angle here, you can see that I've moved the weight up. It used to be about 4 or 5 inches lower, but that may be enough, may not be enough. Now that weight's supposed to pull it back or retract it once you've pulled it out. But, you know, who knows if that's going to happen. This is what it looks like up inside there. And that flows right up through the bottom of the counter, up through into the faucet. And that's the turnoff valve there. And there's the faucet. Now let's pull it down and take a look at it. Wait a minute. I'm pulling it, and you can see it's going up. And that weight is supposed to pull it back down. You can see how that works. You pull on it, and then it just pulls it back down. Hopefully that now will pull it up, and then we let go of it, and it's supposed to come back down. Huh. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Yeah, there it goes. Drops right down. Perfect. That's the way we want it. All right, I think we did a good job on this one. All right, let's go up top and look at it. I'm just going to pull it all the way out, all the way down. If you look, it's all the way into the sink now, and looks like another foot. And it pops right back up, so I think that we did a pretty good job on it. Yep, she should have a lot of room there, be able to do everything she wants. And it looks like the counterweight is working. All right, congratulations. Another awesome job by us. All right, thank you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other do-it-yourself or how-to videos. Most of this stuff I've never done before. I'm trying it for the first time. And guess what? You can too. Save money. Thanks a lot. See you next video.